The Skoda Yeti first appeared at the Geneva Motor Show in 2005 to a very mixed reaction. And it's what you might call a Marmite car, in that people tend to either really love it or really not love it. One place we really do love it is here in Ireland, and in fact we've got over 3,700 Yeti owners here, a club that is sadly about to become a lot more exclusive as production is coming to an end. But before the Yeti goes extinct, myself and Bob Flavin are going to take it on one last epic road trip.
So welcome to absolutely blustery, most northerly point in Ireland that you could possibly have, Mallinhead. And you brought a two-wheel drive version, which is that one. So this is the four-wheel drive version of the car, and this is the one we need. So come on, get out of this wind, get in the car.
Okay. So Bob, last hurrah of the Yeti. Last video we did together was the Croc, which is going to be replacing it.
Yeah.
Sad times.
Super
car, but different.
Yeah.
So Yeti, as I said, is a kind of a love it or hate it kind of thing. You love or hate?
I know we could sit here and I could take up the position of hating the car, and you know, you go, oh, Yeti's no good, but I can't. It does nothing wrong, so I'm in the love camp.
You're in the love camp, and so am I. So off to do the first ever Yeti testing, which is of the 4x4 system, so we're going to try and find a beach.
It's right ahead. Look at that. Here we go. Extreme off-roading. We're going to drive into the ocean. Oh. We could be doing donuts very quickly.
That was extreme. That was impressive.
It was, yeah.
That was impressive.
A 5-door family hatchback car that can just do that.
I just can't see a cash guy doing that.
No.
Right, so what we do next to test it?
This being the wilds of Donegal, I had to go really extreme, okay? So this is Mammoor Gap, and at the top of that mountain up there is a very special trail that you're not allowed to drive on. But the wonderful people of Skoda are letting us drive up that. So I'm going to see if the Yeti.
You think we'll make it?
No, I don't think so. I think we're going to get stuck up there at some point. So hopefully we won't have to sleep in the Yeti.
Right, let's give it a go on here.
Right, Sinead, up the hill.
Okay, so we are beginning the ascent of Mammoor Gap.
This is just a normal Yeti. If you're a Yeti owner, this is what it can do. Did you know that? Oh shit. This is...
Oh God.
Come on, little Yeti. You can do it. Go on, go on. Go on, Yeti. Up. Go on. Oh my God, this is as vertical in as I can make it.
Alright, we're face down in the stream.
We are face down. The headlights are pointing at the ground. Like.
That'll do, Yeti. That'll do.
That's a good line. I like that. That'll do, Yeti.
So this is it.
That's it, Sinead.
End of the line for the Yeti. End of the road. Well, all good things must come to an end.
Yep.
Like this video.
Like this video, yes. It's been epic. It has been epic,
and what a way to send it off. That was seriously good fun.
Yeah, brilliant.
So you can't get the Yeti anymore. You can get the Croc, which is a super replacement in fairness. We both tested that.
Yeah.
Or if you want to get yourself a bit of history, you can try your luck on CarsIreland.ie. Pick yourself up a future collector's item. But for now, until the next time.
See you on the far side, Yeti. This is an amazing car. What was wrong with this car? Like, this is amazing.